from a door to a 1972 Rolls Royce Silver Shadow. Kerchunk, or whatever noise that a door on a 1972 Rolls Royce Silver Shadow makes. Kerchunk ought to do it. I'll do a little applause right there. And just having some fun. Whoopsie whoopsies. Tool. The old iFixit tools. What do we got here? Looks like standard screws. I don't know how far I'm going to get with this before things get weird, and maybe I'll give up, but I'm going to give it a shot, right? I haven't been inside of this thing, so I'm super curious. Although, you know, I could tell it was basically just wafers, so... You spend... Oh, no. What is all this? Alright. There's a springling. There's a springling. Where did those springs go? Whoops. Okay. Oh, okay, alright. I think those springlings went here. So, that's a good sign. You know what? I think that's all the further we're gonna go with this. Look how deep that sits in there. Yeah, I don't even know how to get that out of there. Oh, I think there's a pin and stuff in there. But anyway, it's just like, I think 4 years in the old key is a copy. It's just, I think 4 wafers and it's dirt. Anyway, that's a Rolls Royce 1972 Silver Shadow door lock. So if you buy me a 1972 Silver Shadow Rolls, well, you get the drill.